everyone and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. In today's video, I'll be trying to shoot beauty images with natural light. Fortunately for me, we had 3 different lighting scenarios, so if you think you'd be interested, do stick to the end of the video. The first setup had me put a screen between the model and the sunlight. What this does is cut down the direct and harsh light from the hot afternoon sun and turn it into a slightly punchy but diffused light source. This light now looks a bit like shooting with a parabolic umbrella. I tried to record audio from the session, but playing it back, the wind was just too much, and so I decided to do this voice over. The rest of the video for this particular setup is me basically directing Ami the model just a tiny bit and also making sure she stays within the confines of the red paper backdrop we stuck on the window guard. The styling for the shoot was done on the go by myself, as this wasn't a very well thought out session, so I just gave her some large earrings, a red turtleneck to match the red cardboard being used as the backdrop, and then she ruffled up her hair just to make it a bit more interesting. Lastly, I had to wrap this tiny chain around her fingers so we add something interesting just in case she wanted to pose with them. And that's it for the styling. We just kept shooting till we got what we really liked. I'll show you some of the images from this particular setup and then we'll move on to the next. Alright, so the second setup was a bit unplanned. As we were shooting, we realized the clouds covered up the sun and diffused it beautifully, which made the screen I was using kind of useless at that point. And so I decided to take a few more frames with this diffused or rather large screen right in the sky. The images I got from this appear to be a bit similar to what you get from a large octabox, and I liked it. Similar to the second look, as we were shooting, obviously, the clouds were moving, and shortly after, the sun came out. It was bright, direct, and harsh, so I decided to change my camera settings to match and went on to shoot with the direct sunlight. You'd notice the quality of light is similar to using a small cone or a zoom reflector for beauty images. The shadows are very defined and dark, but it's also a very beautiful light to shoot with. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like to support the channel. I'm hoping you guys can push this video to get about 200 likes. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing because I have a lot more content coming, and if you're an existing subscriber, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope all of you learned something, and if you did, do let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.